Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about plugging a tire. Whether it be on your car, your SUV, a tractor, side-by-side, your four-wheeler, whatever it might be. We're going to walk you through step by step of how you can plug your tire and get rid of that aggravating, annoying leak that you got in your tire. Or maybe even repair that nail puncture or screw puncture or whatever it might have been, a piece of wire or whatever. Stay with us. Ever walked outside and noticed your tire was flat? It's got that slow leak in it just going down overnight. Or maybe even driving down the road. Run over something. Your little indicator comes on your dash saying you're losing tire pressure. Here's a simple fix. Buy your tire plug kit. Keep it in your vehicle. Put it in your glove compartment or in your door or wherever. Mine stays in the door. But put it in your vehicle. And with a little 12-volt air compressor, you'll be back in the road in no time. Just simply plug that tire, air that tire up, and travel on down the road. True, it may not be as good as a patch, but hey, in a bind, it'll get you on down the road and get you where you need to be. I've run these plugs for miles and miles. There's some tires that I've worn out with a plug still in it. So plugs do work, so don't be afraid to use them. And another thing I want to tell you about, there are sometimes holes that one plug won't fix. I'm running one on my ATV right now at the moment that I've got 5 plugs in one hole. Kids was riding around out there in the pasture and they were over a stub where I had been bush hogging. Pretty good sized hole. So what I had to do is just take one plug, put in there, add another one. Keep adding the plugs until you seal that hole off. So, hey, it got me by and it quit leaking and I'm still running it. So, may work for you. First you want to spray your tire down with some soapy water. Check for leaks. Just keep spraying till you find exactly where that little hole is that you're going to plug. We get our plugs out. Thread our plug through our tool here. It gets kind of aggravating sometimes. You have to just keep working with it. It's better to use a set of pliers or something once you get it through the eye there to pull it on through. Then we're going to take our reamer here. We're going to stick in this hole. Find exactly where your hole is there. Take that reamer and we're just going to ream it out real good. Once we get it reamed out, we're going to insert our plug in there. Now, sometimes this can be challenging. I always like to spray a little sealant or something on there to lube it up a little bit. I like to take a little lubricant, put on there and get it a little slick so it slide in there a little better. This can be very aggravating. It takes a lot of force sometimes to get it in there. Some plugs are easier than the other ones, but as you can tell, I'm struggling trying to get it in there. But all right, we got it in there. All right, once we get it in there, we want to spray it again. Spray again, make sure our plug is sealed that little hole up there. No leaks. We'll check our door panel over here, see what our recommended air pressure is for our tires. 36 PSI. So we'll just adjust our air pressure there until we get it right at 36. Good to go. I've been seeing where they got some new plugs out, where it's got a little Phillips screw head on the end of it, and you just simply screw it in your tire. I don't have any experience with those and don't know how good they work, but I'm going to look into getting some, and we're going to try them out. And when I do, I'll be sure and post and tell you how I like those. But right now, those simple thread plugs, they work pretty good for me. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. We do a lot of similar videos like this and give you step-by-step and how-tos. Check out our next video, and we'll see you there. Thanks, and as always, God bless.